Smart. Store and retrieve your Mini settings with the memory function. Depending on your equipment, you can save the driver's seat and exterior mirror position. Get comfortable by switching on the ignition and set up your desired seating position. Also, align the exterior mirror's position with your seating setup. Press the Set button. Then push the desired button 1 or 2. A sound signals that the settings are saved. Done. The set positions will also be saved in your active driver profile. Watch our other how-to video to learn more about that. Your seat setup has been changed? Simply recall it. Press the dedicated button 1 or 2 once. The operation is halted when you press a seat adjustment switch or one of the memory buttons. Safety first. While you are driving, adjustment of the driver's seat is disabled after a short time. Double the comfort. You can save 2 different seat positions for each driver profile. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.